What do you think, Ty?
Both of them are purple.
Alright, what color you want them to be?
Pink.
Pink? There you go. What other color?
Green.
Green?
Red.
You want green?
Yeah.
Oh, check out the red.
I want the green. I want the blue.
Oh.
I want the rainbow.
Let's see. Oh, look at that one.
Dad, how's it changing the colors I want it to?
I'm doing it on the phone, see?
Oh, yeah.
See, look.
I want every single color.
Every single color?
Yeah.
Alright, let's see if we can do... I haven't figured this out quite yet. There's so many colors.
Everything. Green, green, green.
Whoa.
This will go all the way, okay? This.
Alright.
Every single color. I want gray.
Gray?
Yeah.
Oh, there's white.
You passed gray.
I want to do gray.
What?
Why do you want the one color I can't do?
I saw gray in the sky.
What about
I want yellow.
Blue?
Pink. This
Pink?
fit pink.
No. We can do pink.
Go back, go back. Go back. Yes, pink.
What about red?
That could
You want red?
pink.
Pink.
Could I touch your ring?
Yeah.
That it's the
Those are cool, huh?
Dad, I touched it. Dad, they can touch it. I can't touch it. I want it to be rainbow.
That's rainbow. Check that out.
I want it to be disco.
Disco?
Yeah.
What do you know about disco?
Cause I doesn't touch that kind of color right there.
That's like disco.
Yeah, disco.
It's kind of disco-y. Whoa, check that out.